What's up, everybody? I'm Seth with Homer's Honey, and just wanted to do a quick update on this nuke that we installed. I think it's been about 3 weeks now. I could double check. Let's see how they progress, see if we need to add another box. I'm hoping they are. It's been a few weeks since I've checked them again, so I'm hoping they've been growing okay. But again, this is why it's important that we check more frequent. So don't take my example, learn from my mistakes. But let's see how they're doing. So they are not doing as good as I was hoping. They still have some syrup in their feeder, so I don't know if it fermented, and maybe that's why they decided not to drink it all. So obviously the middle frames here, we have the brood, and we got empty frames, and they haven't really drawn out these empty frames quite yet, so they haven't really moved past what they were given to start. So let's check out to see if we can see why. So I got lots of eggs in here, nectar, pollen. So brood, nectar, pollen. We got eggs. Same on this side. So they're just going through their brood cycle here. Got one on the finger. Might just need to expand their brood nest just a little bit. Give them a little urgency in building comb. There might not be as many bees until after their first hatching. I guess this would be maybe the second one, but so yeah, they're kind of filling in some of the hatched queen cell or the hatched worker cells, brood cells with nectar. So the queen's going to have less and less space to start laying. There's lots of eggs. Must have missed the queen. See if we can find her real quick. It's always fun to find your queen if you can, but I'm not worried because I've seen eggs, so I know she's here. She's doing what she should be doing. She's hiding from me. Let's check this other frame. This first one. Oh, there she is. Right dab in the middle. Sticks out like a sore thumb. See her? Right in the middle. Oh yeah. Pretty gal. Okay, So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these empty frames and I'm going to checkerboard them in between the brood, like that. Push that one over. Put this one. Right there. Okay, so now I've got some checkerboarded my frames in there. So I'll kind of force them to build these empty frames in and build that wax out. So the queen has somewhere to lay right now. So we can have a boost in the hive population. If they stay at the rate that they're going now with just 3 frames of brood at a time, the hive's gonna just be really slow taking off. So we need to give them more space. So I'm not gonna put a box on today. Maybe next time in a couple weeks, or maybe a week or 2. But I'm gonna feed them again, so they have the resources that they need, so they can build out that wax really fast and get them going. So. Anyways, I'm going to put it back together now. Otherwise, they're looking healthy. The brood's looking good. I'm not seeing anything concerning. And we just need some numbers. More brood, more eggs, more space. So as you look through your hives, always look for making sure that there's space, that they're not filling in. Even though you put brand new frames in there, doesn't mean they have space now. It's kind of dead space until they can build it out and utilize it. So make sure that your hive doesn't get too big before you add on your honey super or your second box or whatever it may be. We don't want them to feel overcrowded. In this case, they weren't that way quite yet. But they could use the room to grow. Anyways, we will be back, check on this in a week or 2. So join us next time. And be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And follow us on Instagram and social media. We're trying to post more videos and hopefully to get you some content that's useful and something that's valuable for you. We will see you next time.